In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it when the add yours sticker on Instagram isn't working. So if I just swipe to the right on here and then I just take a photo real quick and then I add the add your stickers, this is what it typically looks like. You'll be able to do it on your stories and other people's stories, and you'll be able to interact with it. If it's someone else's story, you can click on add yours and then interact with the sticker that way. Now, if that isn't working for some reason, then one of the reasons could be that you're running an outdated version of Instagram, because sometimes you will be able to see the sticker, but you won't be able to interact with it because your Instagram version is too old. So to fix that, you go out of Instagram, go either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Then you want to search for Instagram, hit search, and then you want to update it if there is an update available. If there is an update, it's going to say update. Just tap on that, it'll download and install the update. Then you can go and tap on open and it should open up Instagram. And then you want to go into someone else's story and then see if you can interact with it that way. Another thing that you can try and do if that doesn't work is close out of Instagram and go back into it. So on my phone, I have a button on the bottom left hand corner. If I tap on that, it's going to show me all my open apps, and I just want to close out of Instagram. Then I can go back into Instagram. You can see it opens up a new session, and then you just want to go back into the story and see if you can interact with the add your sticker. Another thing you might want to check is if your internet connection is strong, because sometimes things can go wrong on Instagram if you're not on a stable internet connection. So just swipe down, go to your control panel, and then if you're on a poor Wi-Fi signal, switch to mobile data and vice versa, see if that rectifies the problem. And then the last thing is that it could be a problem on Instagram side. Sometimes they do have problems with stickers and filters and things like that, and there's no way to know that unless you actually Google that. And if you find something out on Google or YouTube that says Instagram is having a problem with certain features, then you'll know that there's something wrong with that specific feature. But typically it's going to be that your version is out of date or that your internet connection is poor. So I hope this helped you out. If it did, drop a like down below and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.